Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. Our topic for today is electrolytes. In previous discussions, we have talked about ions such as anions and cations, and we said that those were referred to as electrolytes. What are electrolytes? So if you take a solute, you were to place it in water, you would create a solution. If that solution was able to produce ions, so that solution would be referred to as those ions we refer to as electrolytes. And if the solution is able to conduct electricity, so we said these are electrolytes. Some electrolytes are strong electrolytes. They can conduct electricity very strongly, whereas others conduct electricity not so strongly. Those are weak electrolytes. But some solutions are not able to produce any ions at all, so they are referred to as non-electrolytes. So electrolytes can be classified as strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes, and lastly as non-electrolytes. Strong electrolytes are solutions where the particles or the solutes dissolve completely, 100%. Weak electrolytes, the particles or the solute dissolve partially, only a small fractions of the particles of the solute dissolve in solution. Whereas non-electrolytes, the solutes do not dissolve to produce ions. So we need ions. So non-electrolytes, those solutes do not produce ions. Examples of strong electrolytes are strong acids, strong bases. If you do not know what strong acids and strong bases are, we refer you to our previous presentation where we talked about acids and bases. And soluble salts. Salts that are soluble are able to produce ions, so they are strong electrolytes. Examples of weak electrolytes are weak acids and weak bases. Why? Because unlike strong acids and strong bases that dissolve completely, weak acids and weak bases ionize only partially in solution. And lastly, organic molecules, for the most part, are non-electrolytes. Why? Because they do not dissolve in solutions. Let's look at a few examples of strong acids. So we have nitric acid, that's a strong acid. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid. Let's look at some strong bases. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base, and barium hydroxide is a strong base as well. We refer you to our previous presentations on strong acids and strong bases if you need further information. And soluble salt includes sodium chloride and potassium iodide. In future lecture, we'll talk about the salts that are soluble and those that are insoluble. So if you have those strong acids, strong bases, and soluble salts, so these are strong electrolytes, so they are able to conduct electricity. You could see the light bulb is shining very brightly. Why? Because the solution is able to conduct electricity because it's made of strong electrolytes, strong acids, strong bases, and soluble salts. So we will say the solution is able to conduct electricity strongly. So these are strong electrolytes. Let's look at some weak acids. Acetic acid is a weak acid. Hydrofluoric acid, another weak acid. Weak base, ammonia is a weak base. If you look at the light here, the light is not shining too bright as the previous one. Why? Because weak acids and weak bases are weak electrolytes. They do not conduct electricity as strong as the strong electrolytes. And lastly, we have organic compounds such as glucose or methanol. Since these molecules do not produce ions, so they do not conduct electricity, and we refer to them as non-electrolytes. All right, so this is the end of our destination. We are done. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and let us know in the comment section if you had found our presentation to be useful. Have a great day.